What's up, guys? It's hurricane time. I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off, trying to get everything moved. I've done a pretty good job, but one of the things I have left is my hearse. And unfortunately, I lost the keys to the car, so I'm gonna have to try to change the lock cylinder, and but I can't quite do it yet. I've got some other things I have to move, like the four-wheeler and is it your car? It's the GY6 cart, and I'm getting worried because the yard is already starting to flood up. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get to the hearse, but I'm going to try what I can. But this driveway is usually dry. The swamp is starting to come up. I'm getting a little worried. I'm running out of time, and there's just so much I have to do. One of my Suburbans, the starter's bad. I can't move it, but yeah. Anyhow, that's the GY6, and I have the four-wheeler right there. So let's get these things loaded up. Wasp nest on it. I had to get away from the wasps. They were mad. I'm really not looking forward to this. I've been spending the days cleaning up. Took my boat away this morning. Just kind of walking around the yard. Got my barrel over here. It's so full of holes. Probably won't go too far, but I sure don't want got some big holes in it. I sure don't want a boat finding it, that's for sure. Andra. I hope my Suburban survives. It's on high ground. The engine's up high. I just hope. I'm just gonna say this is it. Except for the hearse. I've got to try to do something with the hearse, so I'm gonna go to the store and get a new ignition cylinder, try to change it out so I can drive that thing out of here. But first I gotta get those to the warehouse. Park the boat in Suburban over here. It's pretty high there. My other boat is at the warehouse. Anybody want a boat? Got one in the river. I'll give you $100 to take it today. It's gonna be tight, but I think I can get them in here. Sweet, it's in. And if y'all notice, the engine is off of the ATV. We stole it for the go-kart track in VIR, which we wound up never using the engine. But that's okay, because I really wanted to put a electric start Tiltson on it anyways. With a, well, we got a reverse, but electric start with lights, charging system, all that stuff. So I think I've got everything pretty much packed up. So I've got the steering wheel off because I replaced the ignition tumbler. So now I can put a battery in this thing and hopefully it'll crank up and I can get this thing out of here because the water is rising. Pretty calm outside. It's 12:40 a.m. Friday morning. Pretty calm. So I'm gonna go to bed. Catch y'all in the morning. And then like less than 5 minutes later, the wind picks up and it's raining. Alright, so I'm gonna go for a quick ride. Just to get a view. I'm not going too far. Just gonna go check out the usual spot that floods. I want to see how deep it got. So, oh man, y'all check out the wheels I just bought. Facebook Marketplace. 180 bucks. Thanks, Joey. Okay. I guess I need to put my seatbelt on. Ooh, the wind. Alright, what are you doing, fella? I don't think we got a whole lot. I have some limbs down here, but they're very small. Alright. I don't think there's a whole lot to show, which is good. Knock on wood. The real question is, how's the river property? So house number 1 checks out okay. Let's find out about the guest house. That ain't a limb. That's a tree. So I gotta go get my chainsaw. And I just saw some sort of wildlife running across the yard. Everything looks just fine. Everything looks awesome, guys. So I guess that's it. I survived the hurricane. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up. So now I can get back to my regular scheduled tinkering. So I'll catch you guys later.